Generating leads is one of the most important steps in any business's sales process. As a real estate business, it is really important you know how to convert your leads systematically and with ease. But what happens when your leads aren't converting? It can be very frustrating to put the time, effort, and resources into acquiring new leads only to see them fall flat. So what would be the reason behind this? Let's explore the top 3 reasons why leads might not be converting. Well, firstly, start to nurture your leads. It's possible that your leads aren't ready to buy just yet. It's important to remember that not every lead is going to be ready to make a purchase right away. They might need more time to research, think, consider their options before committing. That's why it's really important to nurture your leads by providing them with valuable information and resources to help them along the way. By building a relationship with your leads, you'll increase the chances of them actually converting in the future. The next thing to target the right audience. Your leads might not be the right fit for your product or service. It is really important to make sure that you're targeting the right audience with your marketing efforts. If you're targeting the wrong people, they are unlikely to convert no matter how great your product or service is. So make sure to conduct thorough research on your target audience to ensure that your message and offers resonate with them. And the last one is keep it simple. Your sales process might be too complicated or confusing. If your leads find it difficult for them to navigate your sales process, they're likely to abandon it as altogether. Make sure that your sales process is simple, clear, and easy to follow. I hope that by implementing those tips, you see an increase in your leads conversion rate. So let's start.